You may have heard all this craziness that's going on in real estate and compensation to realtors in the news. Well, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premiere Plus Realty, and I'm here to break it down. You may have heard all this craziness that's going on in real estate and compensation to realtors in the news. Well, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premiere Plus Realty, and I'm here to break it down. So previously, and you still have it, is a listing agreement with an owner that owns a home. In that agreement was a commission that actually most times was split between the listing agent and the buyer's agent. That was posted in the MLS, so the buyer's agent could see how much that was. Now, on the listing agreement side, there are two parts. There is a total commission, and if you choose to give anything to the buyer's agent. New, right? That's what all the hoo-ha-ha is about. Fast forward that to the buy side. In most states, there was not ever a buyer-broker agreement. Especially here in the state of Florida, it was very rare to have. On that buyer-broker agreement, if there was one, typically there was not compensation outlined. So now the buyer's agent is negotiating with the buyer for compensation of what it's going to cost them, whether the seller covers it or not, to buy that house. You fast forward that to the middle where everything is coming together, and that's the purchase agreement. And you want to make sure that that is spelled out in the purchase agreement so that the compensation to the buyer's agent and the compensation that the seller is going to provide to the buyer's agent or to the buyer is all laid out. So stay tuned for other videos so that we can tell you what that means to you if you're a seller and what it means for you as a buyer so that you can navigate in this new world yourself.